Welcome, my friends. This is a 6-minute yoga practice just to help you get moving in the morning, to connect with your body and your breath, and to start your day feeling refreshed and grounded. All you need is your yoga mat and yourself, and let's get started. Okay, so let's begin in cat-cow today. Go ahead and come onto your hands and knees on your mat. And on your inhale, we're going to arch the spine and lift the chin. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Good. Again, inhale, arching your spine and lift the chin. Exhale, tuck your chin, tuck your tailbone. Breathing in, arching the spine. Exhale to round and tuck. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale to round and tuck. Good. Draw your tailbone down towards your heels and take a few breaths here. On your next inhale, we're going to slide the chest forward between the arms and arch the spine. And as you exhale, round your back and draw your tailbone to the heels. Inhaling to draw the chest forward, straighten the arms. Exhale, round your spine, draw your tailbone to the heels. Good. One more time, deep breath in. And exhale. Take a moment to just pause here with your hips resting down on the heels, forehead towards the mat, and connecting with your breath. Notice how your body feels. As you inhale, feeling your belly expand between the thighs. As you exhale, feel the belly draw in. And on your next inhale, we'll start to walk the hands under the shoulders and let your chin come towards the chest. And we'll just rock the head from one side to the other, just stretching gently through the sides of the neck. Left ear comes towards the left shoulder, and then right ear towards the right shoulder. Good. And then we're going to sit back on the heels for a moment, pause. And then tuck your toes and draw your hips towards the heels, just feeling that stretch in the soles of the feet, in the bottoms, the backs of the toes. Breathing here. We often forget to stretch the feet, so this might feel a little bit awkward. Let's rock the hips a bit side to side to stretch through all the parts of the feet and the backs of the toes. Good. And now untuck the toes and let's come to a comfortable seated position. Take a moment just to center yourself here and gently rock the head side to side and just feeling through the sides of the neck. Is there any tension there? Does one side feel different than the other side? Just tuning into your body, noticing what's here. And then bringing your head back to center. Bring the shoulders up to the ears and roll them down and back a couple times like that. Breathing in, out, Now let's roll out the fingers and hands. And then in the other direction. And open and close the fists. And shake it out. Clap your hands 3 times. And rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. And take a deep breath in and out. And just connecting to your breath, noticing how your body feels. And just taking a moment to pause here. And bring your hands together at the heart, tuck the chin. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.